Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Cognito user pools for app clients, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools. Select an existing user pool or create a new one. If you're creating a new user pool, follow the prompts to locate the app clients section in your user pool. Click on Add an app client if you're setting up a new app client. Choose a name for your app client. Decide whether you want to generate a client secret. If you opt for a client secret, note that it should be kept secure. Configure the necessary settings for your app client, such as token expiration. Click Create App Client to finalize the process. Once your app client is created, take note of the app client ID. If applicable, copy the app client secret for your records. Now, move to the domain name section in your user pool settings. Assign a unique domain name for your user pool. You can choose either a custom domain or a Cognito provided domain. Click Save Changes to apply your selected domain. Next, go to the Federation section. Select identity providers if you plan to integrate third-party authentication. Follow the instructions to set up any desired identity providers. Now, proceed to the app client settings. Enable the authentication flows that you wish to support. Configure the callback URLs and sign-out URLs for your application. Set the allowed OAuth scopes for the app client. Click Save Changes after you complete the configuration. To test the authorization process, use a tool like Postman. Make a request to the authorization endpoint using the app client ID. Include the necessary parameters to initiate the authentication flow. Once authorized, the user will receive an access token. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.